Well, words are all around us, so much so it can be difficult to know which words are better or which ones are more important. But there are a number of ways that you can research vocabulary to put into your writing. So here are a few ideas. First of all, look around your classroom. What does it say on the word wall? Which words are on the board? Are there any useful words in example work you've been given? What's your teacher asked you to write down? All these places in the room that you are actually in will show you which words will be useful. Your first reference point is the room that you are in, the walls, the board, the resources, and, of course, your exercise book. Secondly, think back to previous lessons, previous teachers and previous topics. What words did you use then? Which words were picked out and praised? If your vocabulary was important then, it's going to be important now. So reuse and recycle all of your previous learning and previous vocabulary. Don't forget to think about vocabulary you've used in other subjects. So if your geography teacher uses plateau to describe the land, why can't you use plateau in maths to describe a graph?
Points.
Furthermore, you could use a thesaurus or a thesaurus site on the internet. If you've got a word but you want something more exciting, more interesting, but which has a similar meaning, look for its synonym. Synonym. Synonyms are different words which have a similar meaning, like tiny, minute and minuscule. All of those mean something very, very small. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms, words which mean something similar. Well, words are all around us, but there is actually a skill to picking the right vocabulary for the job. So look around the room that you're in. Think back to previous lessons and what you've said in other lessons, and use the resources provided. If you do, your writing will be exciting, joyous, magnificent, interesting, fascinating, superb, wonderful, gripping, spellbinding, glorious, thrilling, sublime,